Today, Morgan Hill, California. Automated existing swing gate here with LiftMaster's RSW12UL. We installed a wireless keypad here for them. I'm going to open the gates here for you. We installed some loops in the ground here as well, a safety loop, along with their little safety infrared there. There's the LiftMaster unit in operation. I'm going to close the gate here for you. There's LiftMaster's RSW12UL. And just another satisfied customer here today in Morgan Hill, California. For any of your gate needs, call West Coast Doors and Gates today in San Jose, Morgan Hill, and now in Monterey.